The Weimar Republic, it was established or it was formed in 1919. In 1918, Treaty of Versailles took place, and in 1919, Germany formed Weimar Republic, and they were wanting to establish this republic or this pattern of democracy in the form or pattern of Bolshevik group in Russia. In this regard, guys, I would like to share one thing to you. You should know that whenever all over the world any rebel, a revolution or revolutionary activities, movement, those used to take place or those take place. So it was the inspiration to the people. One revolutionary activity, it became the history. And this, any revolutionary activity used to keep a deep mark on the people of the respective state or country or continent. So as a result, there was a series of revolutionary activities or movements or protest. So in 1789, French Revolution, it was the first revolutionary activities or revolution in the history of Europe. And from this incident, first the Europeans, they understood, they could understand the value of life, liberty, fraternity, equality, the right. These rights they could understand. On the basis of these three rights, French Revolution took place. So French Revolution, it had spread like blaze in the forest all over Europe, and after that, when it was winded up, the mark it had left, a deep mark on the people of the world, that for your right, for your dignity, or if you want to survive as mankind, human being, you have to revolt against the system which you are not liking or which is not favorable in support of you, that means the common man. So after French Revolution, we see Russian Revolution in 1917. Again, just like Louis XVI, King Louis XVI in France, he was executed in guillotine publicly. And after that, the same history, that means I told you previously that history repeats. Russian people, they were inspired by the French Revolution, the activities, the movement, the concepts. So they crushed the Tsarism. Tsar Nicola II, he was quite tyrant, rude, harsh, that time Tsar during Russian Revolution. And entire people of the world, they surrounded Tsarism and they condemned the contemporary system that I had already discussed with you regarding the Russian Revolution. So once again we see that after the First World War, that means a post-World War, the Germany, that means Germany, they were condemned, they were disgraced, they were humiliated in Treaty of Versailles, and as a result they were totally thrown away, abandoned by the Allied party, England, France and Russia. So when I started this lecture, I told you that they became hostile. They stood with a hostile attitude that by hook or by crook we have to counter the Allies. So that is why when they formed and Weimar Republic It was established in 1919. So, an aggressiveness, it was visible in the people of Germany. Germans, the thinkers, the radicals, they used to motivate the youth, that means young generation, to raise their voices, to be aggressive, to become masculine, or to become hostile against their counterpart or rival, because they were wanting to take revenge of their humiliation in 1918 in Versailles. So that is why this Weimar Republic, those who were criticizing, those who were against the concepts or against the objectives of Weimar, so difference of opinion started, and Weimar, the members of the Weimar Republic, or this constitutional body, that this, or the members of the constitutional body in Reichstag, it was known as Reichstag, they crushed the oppositions. Who were the oppositions? Socialists, some category, handful of people, they supported socialism, and they crushed the Catholics and some Democrats. They raised their voices against the concepts or against the objectives of Weimar Republic. But the Weimar Republic, they emerged as the most powerful republic or most powerful phenomena of the time to counter any kind of situation. So that is why they were motivating the youths, the young generation, to become hostile, to be hostile, to behave aggressive, to become physically strong, powerful, so that they can counter their rival or rivalry party or groups in any cost. That was the main concepts of the Weimar Republic, and they followed the pattern of Bolshevik group in Russia. I told you regarding Russian Revolution, the Bolshevik group, the hostile attitude, the powerful group, which was led by Vladimir Lenin in Russia. So that is why they followed the concepts that Bolshevik group, because Bolshevik group emerged as the most powerful group, and they started ruling Russia later on with their radical activities, and gradually they occupied the Russian dynasty. They condemned Tsarism, they crushed Tsarism, and they became the ruler of Russia during that time. A series of revolts, series of revolutionary activities and movements and protests. After that, any revolution or revolt takes place after a series of movement. First, the French Revolution. Second, the Russian Revolution. I'm talking about the European history. And then here, First World War, 1914 to 1918, and total wind up in 1919. So guys, this is the pattern, or it was these are the objectives of Weimar Republic, which was established in 1919.